How to fix the WhatsApp chat backup problem on Android. So without further delay, let's jump into this video. If you're facing issues with your WhatsApp chat backups on Android, the first thing you have to ensure is that if you have a stable internet connection in your device. So in order to back up, preferably your Wi-Fi will require high bandwidth. If you're on the mobile data, ensure backup using mobile data is enabled in WhatsApp settings. So make sure to connect to a strong internet connection. But if that's not your case, and still you're not able to back up in your device, you have to ensure that you are signed into correct Google account linked to WhatsApp backup. To check up, you can simply open up WhatsApp, go to your settings, and once you're under this chat backup, make sure to check your Google account and ensure that you have used your correct Google account. And if still not, you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your device. You can open up Google Drive in your device and make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you have linked in your WhatsApp. Now, to view further storage, tap on the three-line icon and then tap on storage. And make sure that you have enough space. And if this still does not help you, you have to update your WhatsApp application if there is any update available. To check that, open up Play Store and tap on the search icon, and in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. And make sure that your application is updated. If not, you have update option where I have opened. Simply tap on update. Once the update is complete, go back to WhatsApp and try to back up your chat once again. If still not, you have to look for the permissions. So for that, you can close this, navigate to the WhatsApp application in a mobile device, tap and hold on it, then tap on app info. From here, scroll down a bit and then tap on permissions. Make sure you have allowed permissions for storage, contacts, and Google Drive. Navigate to not allowed section, and if you have not allowed it, simply tap on it and then allow access. If this still does not help you, then you can clear the application cache. For that, again navigate to WhatsApp application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info, tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. By doing so, your caches from the application will remove all the junk files or boxed from the application, which might help you solve your problem. Now you can close this and go back to your chat backup and try to back up again. If still not, the last option you can try is to simply uninstall the app or WhatsApp from your device. Tap and hold on it, tap on app info, tap on uninstall. After that, reinstall it back from the Google Play Store and log in back. And then your problem will be solved. So these are all the way to solve WhatsApp chat backup problem on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.